Google Map review, earn money. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and use the search bar to find local businesses, especially those with low ratings. Focus on businesses that have been around for 10 to 20 years, but still have few or poor reviews. For example, I chose NYC Plumbing. You'll likely find businesses that have been around for a long time, but have struggled to stand out online. Once you find a business like this, reach out to the owner and explain that their low number of Google reviews is hurting their visibility in search results, which can lead to fewer customers. You can then offer to help improve their online presence by helping them get more positive reviews. This can boost their ranking and attract more clients. You can charge a monthly fee for this service. While not every business will say yes, many will recognize the value of what you have to offer. This is a great way to make money by helping businesses grow, all using Google Maps.